Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this short tutorial I will show you guys how to get free SSL certificate for your GoDaddy hosting. Using this method, you don't have to pay ridiculous amount of money for GoDaddy to get a simple SSL certificate. Most of the new hosting services are giving you free SSL certificate anyway guys. I don't know why GoDaddy is charging so much money just for a SSL certificate. Guys, as you can see, I'm in my GoDaddy dashboard, and if I go into my web hosting in here to manage, so this is my main website guys, and in here, as you guys can see, I don't have a SSL certificate yet. So if you go into my site, you can see it's not secure. So I want to buy the SSL certificate, but if I go in here for the GoDaddy SSL services, if I go in and purchase, you can see although there is a 20% promotion, it's $78 per year, and after 2 years, if I want to renew, it's going to be $98. It's almost $100, and for these packages, the price is even more. What I'm going to do in here is I'm going to purchase this for free. So all we need to do is go into Google and let's type in ssl4free.com, and in here go to the SSL for free and enter the website, which is my website in here, and create a free SSL account. Okay, so then we need to create an email account. So I'm going to enter my email and I'm going to enter a password. All right, and register. Okay, now you just need to follow next step, and for this also next step, next, just click next, and in here and select the basic free. Okay, select this one and next step. Now as you guys can see, it's giving you some options to verify your email setup. So here we have a couple of options in here: admin at my domain, hostmaster, all those things. So if you already have email set up for these accounts, you don't need to worry. You can choose the one you already set up and go to the next step. But I don't have this email set up. So what I can do is I can go back to my GoDaddy in here and go to my products. Again, I'm going to go into my hosting and let's manage. And in here, I'm going to go to the cPanel. Okay, so which will open the cPanel. And I'm going to the emails, email accounts. Here it shows all the email accounts, and I'm going to create a new email account for this domain in here. And this one is admin. So I'm just going to select admin and just create the admin email account. Or you have to enter a password. So I'm going to enter a password in here. All right, and create the account. Okay, so once we have created this, we can go in here and send the email to our verification email. So now we have to verify our domain. Just click on the verify domain. And now the email has been sent to the verification link. So let's go back in here. We have created the new email in here, admin at the web address, and check email. And we can select one of these services. I'm going to choose the default one, open. All right, so we have got the email, verification domain, open the email. And in here, we get the verification key. I'm just going to copy this and go in here and select the go to verification page and enter the code you have copied. And next. And we have verified our email address. Now you can close this one. Now we can just simply select the refresh status, which is saying we already verified the email. All right, so now we have verified our website, and let's start installing the certificate. Just click on the install certificate, and you guys can select the certificate. You can download from here. You can go to next step and download from here. You can see all the instruction given. So just download the zip file. It will download in here. All right, so now once we download, go back to the cPanel and go to the cPanel main page. And in the cPanel home page, go to the SSL certificates, which is this one in here, SSL and TLS. Just select the SSL certificate. And in here, click on the manage SSL sites and go down to the bottom. In here, select the domain. In our case, we have to select this domain here. You guys can see I have a lot of domains. Most of them I'm not even using. Now we go into our downloaded file. All right, so now we have these three files. We have to enter these three into these three boxes. So for example, for certificate, we have to enter the certificate data from here to here. So we have to open this one first. So if you guys double click, it won't open properly. You guys need to open from Notepad. You can just right click and open with Notepad, which will open this file in here. Select all of them, Control C, and this is the certificate file. So copy, Control C, and paste it in the certificate file. Okay, and same for the other one also. Private key, right click and open. If you guys can't find the Notepad, you can just select the Notepad from here as well. Notepad, and just drag and drop in here. All right, now we have to select everything, Control A, Control C, and Control V. All right, and for the last one, again, which is the CA bundle, Certificate Authority bundle, right click, open with Notepad. All right, and open this one, select everything, Control A, Control C, and paste it in here, Control V. All right, so once we have done, all we need to do is install certificate, which will take some time, and our SSL certificate is installed successfully. All right, once you are done, you can go into your WordPress dashboard, and in here go to the plugins and add a new plugin. And in here, the first plugin we are going to insert is Really Simple SSL, and search for the plugin and install this one, Really Simple SSL, and activate the plugin once you installed. Now all we need to do is go ahead and activate SSL. It will ask for login again, and now our SSL is activated. There are small issues now. I will fix them later, but let's go in and check my site. And you guys can see now the SSL is activated. It's coming as HTTP, and our connection is secured. Alright guys, that's how you can install the SSL for free, and hopefully you guys can save some money instead of paying hundreds of dollars for SSL certificate. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next tip.